If you're looking to boost your Mac Mini's storage and performance, the NURUBRM 2025M4 Mac Mini Pro 2TB SSD Replacement Upgrade is definitely worth considering. Before diving in, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out for the best deal. This SSD upgrade offers an impressive 2 TB of storage, which is a substantial increase over many stock Mac Mini configurations. It's ideal for users who handle large files, run multiple applications, or need extra space for games and media. Thanks to PCIe 4.0 NVMe technology, the drive boasts lightning-fast read and write speeds of up to 3,300 megabytes per second, ensuring your system boots quickly and applications load without delay. One of the standout features is its perfect compatibility with the Mac Mini. The 1:110-layer circuit architecture mirrors the original factory design, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. The package even includes an easy-to-follow installation guide and tools, empowering users to upgrade their device without professional help. Reliability is another strong point. The SSD has been rigorously tested to avoid common issues like black screens, unexpected restarts, or data loss. This means you can trust it to keep your Mac Mini running smoothly and stably. However, there are a few considerations. While the 2 TB capacity is generous, some users might prefer the even larger 4 TB version depending on their storage needs. Additionally, although the installation guide is helpful, those unfamiliar with hardware upgrades might still find the process a bit challenging. In summary, the NURUBRM 2025M4 Mac Mini Pro 2 TB SSD Replacement Upgrade offers a fantastic balance of performance, capacity, and value. If you're ready to enhance your Mac Mini's capabilities, this SSD is a smart choice. Don't forget, the link to purchase it at a discount is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to grab this deal while it lasts.